Hello and welcome to Gabbett Media. I'm Grant Abbott and today I am reviewing the book Anatomy for Sculptors. I saw these guys on Instagram and I was really impressed with the pictures that I saw. I thought it had a really interesting take and clever take of teaching anatomy to artists and particularly sculptors. So I reached out to them and they were kind enough to send me this book. Thank you very much for that. And I'll put a few images on the background here, but I can really thoroughly recommend it. It's got 222 pages and they're crammed full of images. There's not much text, there's enough text I would say, but it's really detailed in terms of the imagery. And what I'm really impressed with, if I put an image up in the background, it's they break it down into things like the chain of the arm, and they say it's just like a chain, and you think that's a really clever way of looking at it. And for some reason I've never looked at it like that, but when I saw that image I thought, wow, that's incredible. And the way it sort of just breaks it down so quickly and easily for people like me who are not, we haven't been to art college and things like that, so if you haven't got that background and you're looking for reference books, this one is, I would say, a must. It's currently, if you want the hardback version, that's $100, the paperback version is $55, or you can get an ebook for $45. So they're fairly pricey, but for an anatomy book, that is actually pretty darn good. For any sort of reference book, you're looking quite high prices, so I would say it's good value for money, and you are getting a really thorough look. If you open it at any page, you'll see you've got great detail there, and it breaks it down into the sort of 3D model. You can even look at this in terms of sort of topology flow and things like that as well, but that's not their focus. It's just really for sculpting and understanding how the shapes are, breaking them down into their simplest forms. So I would really thoroughly recommend this. I'm really impressed, really happy, an early Christmas present for me. So get out there, get yourself a copy, if I can say that. That sounds a bit silly, doesn't it? But yeah, I can thoroughly recommend it. Thank you very much again for sending this to me, and I hope this will help you guys out there. Thanks for watching.